to celebrate the arrival of my new equipment at the Fitness Foundry, I will be doing some band videos, meaning barbell training with bands, monster bands. I got my Mr. T set up and mini bands. For today, we will be doing a band press, chest press with the barbell. So don't forget to subscribe, enable the notification button. You don't want to miss this video. All right, so I'm going to put this monster band aside. We will use this in my next video, very likely for the deadlifts. For today, what we're going to do are chest press, barbell chest press, incorporating a mini band around our wrist. Why the mini band? The mini band is going to help work the medial shoulders, and along with that, it's going to also force you to have good form. Now let's begin. As I start to set up, I'm going to give some other benefits. If you are new to barbell training, you're going to want to watch my barbell chest press for beginners. So here we go. It's over my wrist. I make sure that for my barbell setup, for me, my eyes underneath the bar. I'm going to go where the first rings are with my middle finger and watch me use all my strength to go to the opposite one. Once I squeeze the barbell, I'm going to take a deep breath, smell the roses, exhale, blow out. At this position, I'm stabilizing the barbell and my shoulders are working extra to prevent my hands from coming in. Smell the roses, exhale as I blow out the candle. So I say it again. If this mini band was of super strength, so say like heavy band, it would be very difficult for me to keep my arms spread out. How many repetitions? I want you to do between 10 to 15. This is for like dynamic effort. It's high reps. And you can add this workout, this exercise, to your accessory workout day. So what do you think? Please post your comment and don't forget to subscribe.